Hello there guys, this is Phantom and today we'll do a restoration of an old laptop. So this laptop is an eMachines E725. So in case you're not familiar with, eMachines is an Acer brand. So they acquired eMachines a while back, but I think eMachines was already discontinued now. So yeah, but yes, this is the eMachines E725. So our deputy admin owns this and asked me to do some fixes and upgrades to this laptop since he do not want to buy a new one just yet. The laptop is very dirty and it hasn't been cleaned for years. This has some scratches to it and the keyboard is obviously broken, so I need to replace that one. So I decided to take the laptop and have a look what I can do with this and what parts should I buy for the upgrade. This laptop still runs its original HDD, which is impressive that it's somewhat still working well to this day. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM to it and a Pentium T4200 clocked at 2 GHz. This laptop runs Windows Vista, and by the looks of it, this is still the original install of Vista on this laptop. There are some crapwares installed, but I don't care that much since I'll get this thing running Windows 10 anyways. Here are some parts we bought earlier for the upgrade and repair. The SSD is from Kingston. This is their A400 series SSD. Next is RAM. We bought two 2GB sticks of 800MHz DDR2 sodium RAM. Next one is the processor, Core 2 Duo T8100. The last piece of the puzzle is the keyboard. And without further ado, let's restore this laptop. Enjoy! We replaced the CPU from the laptop's original Pentium T4200 to the Core 2 Duo T8100. I chose this CPU because it matches the board's supported front-side bus speeds, which is very important on these older CPUs. The T4200 has an 800 MHz FSB, so I find a price processor with those matching speeds. Be careful to not use a higher FSB processor on a board that doesn't support such speed, as this may either won't make your machine boot, or it may boot, but your processor's clock speeds may be decreased significantly, which may imply that you bought a faster processor that ended up slowing down your system. Another reason why I choose the T8100 is the price. This is not the fastest 800 MHz FSB processor, as that goes to the T9500. But that is expensive, and the owner doesn't really need the laptop to be too fast. So I guess the T8100 is a fair bet. We got this for only 250 pesos. Bought two 2GB sticks of 800 MHz DDR2 sodium RAM. This sums up to 4GB. It's only cheap, costs around 420 pesos, nice, for the pair. This RAM is also a bit faster than the laptop's original stick at 667 MHz. And we get dual channel now, which should improve performance. keyboard is brand new and it's a match for this laptop. We got this for only 500 pesos. So I can't say that much about the keyboard, but the build quality looks nice. The SSD is from Kingston. This is their A400 series SSD. We bought 240GB, which is fine since the owner doesn't really need to store big files for this laptop. Mostly some documents and office stuff. It costs only at around 1800 pesos. We didn't pick a much more expensive SSD like the Samsung 870 EVO since this laptop only has a SATA 2 interface to it. So this SSD is just fine, I guess. The laptop is now fully cleaned and assembled with new parts. The question is, will it boot? Let's find out. Oh yes, it does! Nice! It recognizes our T8100 and 4 gigs of RAM. It does recognize our SSD too, which is nice. Well, time to create a Windows 10 install USB for this laptop and install a fresh copy of Windows 10 64-bit to this 11-year-old laptop. install's done and Windows is activated. Now let's do some updates before we do the final stuff. And now it's done! The laptop has been fully restored with some programs installed requested by the owner. Oh damn, it looks like almost new again. Would you look at that? So nice. This laptop still can perform simple tasks like web browsing, watching videos, do some document stuff, and light gaming. So here's a boot speed test. So let's see how fast this laptop boots. Well, I think that's all for now. So this project is somewhat a success. Can't wait to see what will be the reaction of the owner of this laptop will be like. Okay. Till then, thanks for watching. Please like this video if you like it. Dislike if you dislike it. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified if I have new videos to show to you. And please share this video if you feel you like it and you enjoyed it too and you want to show this to your friends. So till then, stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, and adios. See you soon. Bye bye.